Hi guys, this little video is to help you adjust the audio settings and in Zoom. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to mute participants upon entry so they don't bother your, they don't disrupt the meditation. So open up your Zoom, go to meetings, and then you could open up whatever your, whatever the silent meditation Zoom meeting that you've scheduled, and then go to edit, and it will show you this little screen here. It's the exact same screen as when you create a new one. So this is also the same thing that you do if you're creating a new meeting and you want to do this adjustment. You'll see something very similar, and then you go down to advanced options, and there's a little arrow, and you click that, and then I already did this earlier. But yeah, so normally it'll just show this top one clicked, enable the waiting room. Mute participants upon entry is what you want. So click that, save, and that way everyone will be already automatically muted when you come in. The second thing I want to show you, I actually can't share screen to show you this, so let me know if I'm going to talk you through it, and let me know if you need help. So this is about audio settings, and this is really just if you are not making like a musical sound at all, you can just stop the video and don't worry about it. For those of you that are making tones, Zoom is terrible for picking up harmonics. It's really bad at picking up that kind of thing on its own, but actually you can change the settings and make it sound much better. And maybe notice, because I just changed these settings recently, a couple months ago. Okay, I can't show it to you, but look at your own, open up your own Zoom, or start a meeting. Like I'm in a meeting right now to record this. Start a meeting, and then go down to where the little microphone is, and it says mute, or it says unmute. But anyway, go to that little microphone, and there's a little arrow next to that. Press that arrow, and then the very bottom option is called audio settings. Click on audio settings. Then go down to the bottom and click on advanced. Then it'll say audio processing, and it'll have three different three different things. Suppress persistent background noise. You want to open that up and disable it. Yes, disable it. Same with suppress intermittent background noise. Disable it. I left on auto for echo cancellation as opposed to aggressive. Those are your two options. And that's it. That's it. You should be able to just do that and then close that window, and you should be good. To turn on the original, so in that space it also has the option restore to defaults, and that'll just take you back to the original settings. And then from now on, it should say on your screen, turn on original sound. So mine always says that now, turn on original sound, and you have the option to always change those. But what I found is that if we want the tones to come through, like up the singing bowl, my harmonium wasn't really working, and even the singing sounds better with without that. So but yeah, it's especially like the human voice is what this is all set up for, and so especially if you're making a musical tone. Okay, hope that's helpful.